Since the first settlers wandered to the cold, unpredictable north, Finnish people have been faced with ruthless challenges that the northern climate has set for them, seeking reliable warmth being one of them. Bolstered by these challenges, our resilience and ingenuity grew, which helped us to adapt to the harsh conditions. This is the heritage that has driven Jäspi Heating Solutions forward for over 70 years. With decades of experience, we know how to make heating solutions suited for every need. From large apartment blocks to smaller homes, Jäspi Heating Solutions can be relied on to provide warmth and hot water to families all around the world. With our proven expertise, we guarantee the highest quality in all our equipment and offer our vast knowledge to find the right heating solution. After all, we are the leading HVAC equipment manufacturer and supplier of heating solutions in Finland, the cold land where we know everything about warmth. When it comes to heating, we are the partner you can trust for years to come. We have experienced the cold, so you don't have to. Jäspi, heating homes since 1949.